How do I check in for my flight online?
Welcome everyone. In today's video, we'll be covering a very important topic for all you frequent flyers out there: how to check in for your flight online. Checking in online can save you time at the airport and make your traveling experience more convenient. So, let's dive right in.
What do you need to start?
Before we begin, make sure you have your booking reference or e-ticket number at hand. This can usually be found in your flight confirmation email. Additionally, have your passport or ID card ready if you're traveling internationally.
Where to go?
You'll first need to visit the airline's official website or mobile app. These platforms typically have a check-in or manage booking option. Find this option and click on it.
Entering your details.
Upon selecting the check-in option, you'll be asked to provide your booking reference or e-ticket number and sometimes your last name. Fill in these details accurately.
Selecting your seats.
After entering your details, you will be taken to a page where you can choose your seats. The seat map will show you what's available. You may choose according to your preference, unless you've pre-selected seats during booking.
Adding baggage.
If you have luggage to check in, you'll be given an option to add baggage. Note that some airlines charge for this service. You will be prompted to enter the number of bags you wish to check in.
Confirming your check-in.
Once you've added all necessary details, you can confirm your check-in. Upon confirmation, you will receive an electronic boarding pass.
Getting your boarding pass.
Your electronic boarding pass can usually be sent to your email, downloaded to your device, or saved in the airline's app. Be sure to have it accessible on your travel day, either printed out or on your device. And that's it. You've now successfully checked in for your flight online. We hope you found this guide helpful and straightforward. Safe travels, and remember to always check in ahead of time to avoid last-minute rush at the airport. Happy flying!